Hey food lovers, welcome back to Home Pantry Pro. Today we're diving into the Babish 10-piece professional tri-ply cookware set. This set is a game changer for anyone who wants top-notch cookware without harmful chemicals. It's tri-ply, giving you durability and heat efficiency in one perfect set. Babish cookware boasts a non-toxic, non-stick surface, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, it's compatible with all stovetops, including induction. And oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for all your cooking needs. I've tested these pans over several meals, and they heat up evenly and sear perfectly. They still look brand new, with that sleek, professional finish. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this set is built for top-tier performance. It's perfect for anyone who values quality without harmful chemicals. This Babish cookware set is definitely worth the investment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews right here on Home Pantry Pro. See you next time.